Like you, the diamond should also be a natural. So why do you love natural diamonds?
Oh, that's a nice question. Because I love everything that's natural. That comes from, आप हीरा कोई ले लो. बचपन से मेरे ग्रैंडफादर ने मुझसे कहा था कि वो बनो जो एक हीरा है, जिसको वक्त लगता है बनने में. इट्स नॉट इंस्टेंट, उसको वक्त लगता है, लेकिन एक बार बन जाए तो उसकी कीमत कहाँ से कहाँ चली जाती है. फिर उसे फैसेट्स दिए जाते हैं. फैसेट्स को हिंदी में क्या, तराशा जाता है. और हीरे को तराशने के बाद उसमें वो जान आती है जो आप में होनी चाहिए एज एन इंसान. सो आई थिंक
such a beautiful analogy.
Yeah, but it's true, because from a very young age, my grandfather made me believe that I was somehow a part of a diamond, like a diamond was a part of me. And so when I grew up, I have collected diamonds. I'm a collector of natural diamonds over the years. But most importantly, I think I also honor the fact that it empowers me. As a woman, when I buy diamonds for myself, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में कुछ पा लिया, कुछ कर लिया.
I think like you, what is the magic in the diamond? You said about the size of the diamond. The bigger the size, the greater is the light performance variability you can see, and you can see it in that screen. I think now you don't need to worry about 4Cs. Only say चमक कितनी
और दिखा दो.
I think in a nutshell, ये तो मानना पड़ेगा that a diamond, it holds time. It takes billions of years to be created, to come to be what it is. And then it comes to you as your personal legacy. And that's beautiful.
But the love for diamonds is one. The rarity of the diamond is there. And also the way in which we maybe select which diamonds go into our jewelry. But ultimately